Big up Crosses TV.
I be a Crosses you have over your master.
They do me this in a folly.
Yeah.
She send me $20. $20 and she send me for
Yeah, big man.
Yeah, money.
I must go for $20. Me not get nothing to put on. I must go feed you and my family. You send me $20, I go feed and I want it for buy food. But I have to go feed. Then time them never did not work. So she said, Tuffy, you know I'm rated you. You go for the $20. So I go send you $100. And then that week the woman send me the $100. Yeah.
She said she go for that. Yeah, that's good.
So Tuffy, you can't take the money and just build something for yourself. That's them the people that take the liberty with you.
No, and that you see the time when we get the money fully, like we buy like a 260 pack of Pampers, which is 5,000 odd, that's 120 Pampers. We buy a 3 tin of lactogen, 950 a one. We buy the Gerber fruit them, the Gerber something them for my baby. We buy all the malt juice them, like the apple juice them for him. Sometimes I have to have lunch money for my son, bus here for him, go and come. You understand? You understand what I say, Foley? So sometimes when we get the money, it just done.
What would the life?
Morning. I just want to say something. I don't really know me. I kind of follow Tuffy from the other day. You see me? You know, hear me?
Yeah, man, yeah, bro.
Yeah, me I said to you, Tuffy. You need for when people go over your page, you need to pin something where you can either send the money through whatever, and don't go in the people inbox and ask them for nothing. Make them send it to you, because you know what happen. It will come to a point where they might start do things here and start screenshot and say, oh, I do this, I'm do that. You see me? So make people offer them own will go over your page, and if them are different, offer them art, then go over your page. I have a pin up, try to set up a certain way you can get money through your bank account or something. Is me call them people them quick for it, push out evidence, say I beg them and this and that. Not every help is good.
No, but listen, bro. Me not really beg nobody, you know. Not beg nobody, you know. But you see, through them come and system, my son bright, and them say them want help him. It's not me, them want help is my son.
Yeah, I understand, but I understand.
But them not telling nothing wrong, you know, Tuffy. I tell a fact.
Yeah, me know.
What I'm saying to you see the less me hear you come, you depend live and me hear something have to do with money and begging. It kind of get people have a bad taste in their mouth. So more I just want to come on live and just know say something different other side from money and begging and some argument.
No, me not beg nobody in a vibes. Me not beg nobody. You understand? I ain't not begging nobody. Me just show them something. And I beg nobody because I'm working right now. I'm not begging nobody right now.
Yeah, and that's good. And that's good.
Me just show them a vibe. Sometimes, you know, some people come in there, you know, and tell them I'm going to send this here and send that, you know. And when and then say text send me my address or your phone number, you know, when you do it, you know. And when them say, and when it, and then something, I can't screenshot enough things and send come here where people send me, you know. You understand what people send me?
I need them for sure, you know, but that's what I say. And people reach out to you, I say them, I send something and not send it, right?
No, listen. One man when he cool kid, him come from England.
We don't need to call nobody name mama. But
no, the reason why I'm calling him outside, I'm not going to style me yesterday like my beg him.
No, but I need to say when I call people name over, you know, Brian or every live actually I screen record, you know.
I don't business in one ear. My business in one ear. My care. Him come style me yesterday. And me have to put him in space.
Money,
me have Susie there from
your big pussy girl for no reason.
Me and Susie there on the live. And him come over the live vibes and the you know why me go bless your son, my girl, cause me have son too, you know. Me have son too, you know. Me like how your son a go on a school, you know. And me go send you $15,000, you know. Cause me there waiting him there right now. So when me come in back the Wednesday, me go send you the money. You say the time nobody send me, say them gonna send me the money. Me not really call them, you know. On good time me call them to tell you the truth. I say, oh you do. Sometimes I feel like I beg me at the money more want, but which is not the money. Sometimes I ask you, oh you do. I don't call this money. Come don't know him.
Tuffy. Amen. Say to you. Yeah, see, if somebody say them gonna send something to you, don't you ever mention it back to them.
You not hear what me I say? Listen what I said I don't beg him. I don't beg him. It's him coming. Him call me. And tell myself to lock him England number in on my phone. You know what me do?
Yeah, number.
Yeah, him call me on WhatsApp. 8 missed call on WhatsApp. When me never did that answer, him say me man a cool kid, the man where I send the money for your son. I text him back and I said okay. Anyway, the Wednesday him call me, video call me and say, see here, me now go around here now, you me a blessing now. See me, I'm in a Western Union. He was the fourth somebody for God. Anyway, him say, too much people in him inbox I tell him say, me a scammer, me a this, me a that. Me say, sir, are you coming on my inbox and see me upon Susie live? If you want bless my son, you bless him. Don't make nobody waiting there because you say my son bright. You don't make nobody coming on your inbox and tell you all kind of things. Here no, yesterday.
What other person with the funny live name? Because I can't see nobody, me don't know.
Vibes.
Yeah.
Huh? Alright, after your opinion, Vibes, yes? If you in a Western Union and say you're gonna send somebody something and you want to send them, is it nobody
if me I send something, I send something.
Alright, so
there's nothing where nobody can tell me to send them.
And I'm probably sure that the first way I talk about you people coming here inbox and not send money. Does that make sense?
Alright, listen up. So here no vibes. Yesterday me I tell him wife happy birthday cause me and Susie over there. Here there, you see that big old girl from Jamaica, me have a black car.
Oh God.
Some say, hey, my waiting in the back now and say and sending back I waiting them. I say stop pussy man, now you coming out from Susie live and say you gonna bless my son. Me never beg you, me not even know you. And Susie said that's why she come off. Cause she never like what him said to me. That's why she come off at the internet cause this is too much. And Tuffy just hold her head high and just come and just not call back in phone. I say remember me never have him number. I him follow me on Instagram and call me on Instagram. But through me dep on the live video, him give me him WhatsApp number and say, but for log it in and keep him WhatsApp number, anything my son want, but for make him know. Then him go tell me
saying that Western Union and him don't send you that money, you should never make me sure if him a call you and a number him a give you business.
Yeah, exactly.
No, you know, before him go Western Union. And before him go Western Union, him a tell me say, but for lucky him number and make sure say me youth go have this and have that. And him a go come down.
So him go Western Union. So just because when he's in the Western
Union. Him say when him in the Western Union. Him say when him there in the Western Union now, people are calling on him phone for IG. People are do this, people are do that. Some say, sure. Me not see that add up, you know. If you want to bless my son, remember you reach out to me, and me reach out to you, you know.
Hey, people are bad.
You understand me, I say? I say, sir, remember you reach out to me, and me reach out to you, know. Remember you reach out to me. You know, owe me no obligation, and me no owe you none.
That's bad, though.